The next is AI voice input and text recognition. Let's take a look. First, rename this photo. Click Rename and there are 3 ways of naming. The first is AI voice input. Click this little microphone. Cat. What you are seeing will be displayed in the document name. The second is text recognition. Click OCR and put the text input in front of the camera. Focus and click Photo. Click the check mark and the text will become characters, which will be automatically entered into the document name. Click down at the upper right corner to successfully rename the photo.